Hello students, today we'll see practice set 2.2. I'll read question for you. See, all pay attention in your textbook. Question number 1 is solve the following quadratic equations by factorization. So see students, this factorization method we have studied already in 8th standard and 9th standard. So here see, one time again revision will take. Now how to solve this by factorization method. So see, the sum is given, practice set 2.2. First one is given x square minus 15x plus 54. Now to solve this, what we have to do, see here, 54. We have to find the factors of 54. Now the factors of 54 is, first is 9 into 6. Second factor is 54 into 1, and the next is 2 into 27. 27 2s are 54. So this way we can find the number of factors, and now from all these factors, now we have to select the factors. Now how to select the factors? All out of this, all three factors, pair of factors, which pair will be selected or applicable to here for our sum? For that, we'll take a help of a middle number. What is the middle number? Middle number is negative 15. So now tell me, out of these three factors or the pair of factors, which pair is having a difference 15? So if you observe, 6 and 9 is having a difference 15. So we'll select this pair as a factor, and remaining now we'll remove. So once we select the factors, that is 9 and 6. Now the next step is we have to give a signs, plus sign, minus sign. Now to decide whom to give plus, whom to give minus, again we will observe middle number. Middle number is minus 15. So now which number to give minus, which number to give plus, so that we'll get the addition minus 15. So for that, what we'll do, see, if I give both, see, both are smaller than 15, both are smaller numbers than 15. So both will carry negative sign, because if we add it, we'll get 15, and minus will be minus 15. Now once we got the factor along with the sign, we have to arrange these two numbers in the place of middle number. So now see how to place. So for that, what to do? First number will be same down. Therefore, I'll write first number will be same down. Now in the place of minus 15x, I'll arrange our factors, that is minus 9 along with the variable given in the sum. So minus 9x. Then the second factor, minus 6x plus 54 equal to 0. Now what to do? Now I'll do the pairing so that we'll find it easy to take the common numbers. So now from the pairing, that is x square minus 9x minus 6x plus 54. See, if you do the pairing, it is easy to take the common numbers. So now from first pair, what to take common? So if you observe both the number, x is to the both the side. So we'll take x out. So x into bracket, x I'll take common in bracket. If I from x square, if x is out, what remains inside? X is remaining inside. Minus 9. From minus 9, x is out, so minus 9 is there in the bracket. Now from the next, minus 6 and 54. We can take 6 common, because 54 is there in 6 table, or we can say multiple of 6. So we can take 6 common. So from minus 6x, if minus 6 is out, x will be in the bracket. If minus sign is out, next sign will change. So this plus will convert into minus, and we know that 6 9s are 54. So 9. Now x minus 9 is common. So we'll take x minus 9 common and uncommon numbers in the second bracket. That is x minus 6 equal to 0. Now students, see here the product of two numbers equal to 0. So at this condition we can say that if the product of two number equal to 0, then either one number equal to 0 or second number equal to 0 or both the numbers equal to 0 when the multiplication of two number is given 0. So we'll follow this property. So x minus 9, that is the first number equal to 0 or second number equal to 0. So now what I'll do, I'll solve the bracket first. Therefore x minus 9 equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 9 shifted to the other side, it is plus 9, or minus 6 shifted to the other side, it is plus 6. So x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 6. These are the factors of the given equation. Now let's see next sum. Now let's see question number 3. Question number 3 is 2y square plus 27y plus 13 equal to 0. So students, if you observe the first question and third question from this, you will find that in first question coefficient was not there for first term. Now here for y square coefficient is given 2. So when you are finding these sum in this type, that is solved by factorization method, you have to always observe the first coefficient, and if it is not given then we'll use the previous method. Now if the coefficient of the first term is given, then what to do or what to solve. So here first y square is having a coefficient that will multiply to the last term. So 2 into 13. So 2 into 13, how much? 2 into 13. So 13 2s are 26. Now we have to find the factors of 26 whose difference is 27. So now for 26, what are the factors? First 26 ones are 26. Then 13 2s are. So these are the factors. Now easily you can identify that 26 plus 1 will be 27. So to get 27, we have to add this 27 plus 1. So now we'll arrange this like a previous sum, that first term will be same down, that is 2y square. In the place of 27y, we'll write the factors, that is 26y plus next is 1. So that along with the variable, so it will be 1y plus last term will be same. After that what to do? Pairing. I'll do pairing. Therefore, now it is easy to identify what to take common. So from 2 and 26, 2 is out. From y square and y is out. Okay. So from 2y square, if 2y is out, what will remain in the bracket? It will be y. Next sign is plus, so I'll give plus. 2 13s are 26. So 13 will be inside. Y is already out. So y plus 13 is a factor. Now here, next is plus sign. So I'll give plus sign. From 1 and 13, 1 is common. So I'll take 1 common. So if plus 1 is out, what remains in the bracket? Y will be in the bracket. Plus 13 equal to 0. Now we'll do the y plus 13 common bracket. So that I'll take first common. So this is y plus 13, and what remains out, that will be in the second bracket. And now these are the factors of a given quadratic equation. Now as I said, if the multiplication of two number equal to 0, That means either first number equal to 0 or second number equal to 0. So we'll write therefore y plus 13 equal to 0 or 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Now we'll find the value of y by shifting 13 to the other side. Therefore y is equal to negative 13 or 2y is equal to plus 1 shifted to the other side, it will be minus, and 2 shifted to the other, it will be minus 1 by 2. Therefore, this is a solution. Therefore, lastly, y is equal to minus 13 or y is equal to minus 1 by 2. These are the factors of or the answer of solution of the given quadratic equation. Now, let's see the next. Now, we'll take question number 5. Question number 5 is 2x square minus 2x plus half equal to 0. Now, how to solve? See, here this in the half, this 2 is there in the denominator. So, what we'll do? We will remove this 2. Now, that is in the denominator. So, to remove it, we have to multiply with the 2. So, we'll write multiplying equation by 2, we get, so by 2 into 2 will be 4, therefore it is 4x square minus 2 into 2 will be minus 4x plus 1.5 into 2, 1.5, that is half into 2 to get cancelled, 1 will remain, so 1 equal to 0. Now this is a standard form of the quadratic equation. Now we can find the factors. That is, the first term is having coefficient. So we'll multiply it to the last. That is 4 into 1 is 4. So we have to find the factors of 4. Now middle term is 4. So what are the factors? This is, see, 4's factor 2 into 2 and 4 into 1. So where the difference is 4? By adding this. But middle number is negative, so we have to give both the smaller number negative sign. So once we got the factors, these are the factors. So once we got the factors, we'll arrange it along with the variable in the sum. Therefore, first term is same down, 4x square. In the place of minus 4x, I'll arrange the factors, that is minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we'll do the pairing. Now from the first group, what will be out? That is 2x, because 4 is a multiple, that is multiple of 2. So we can take 2 from this. So 2x is common. So from 4x square, if 2x is out, 2 2s are 4. So 2 is inside, 1x is out. So 1x is in the bracket. Now whole term is out. So minus 1. Because minus 2x, 1 are minus 2x. Now the next sign is minus, so we'll take minus out. 2x plus 1, nothing is common, so 1 is common. Then we'll take minus 1 common. And if minus sign is out, inside next sign will change. That is, this minus will be plus and this plus sign will be minus. Now 2x minus 1, same 2x minus 1, and the remaining numbers in the second bracket. Now, as our rule, I said, if the product of two number equal to 0, that means any one of the number is 0 or both will be 0. So here I write therefore 2x minus 1 equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 equal to 0. First bracket equal to 0 or second bracket equal to 0. Therefore, finding the value of, I'll find the bracket first, remove the here, also I'll put the bracket. Now I'll solve or remove the bracket. Now I'll find the value of x, that is x is equal to minus 1 shifted to the other side, it is plus 1, and or 2x is equal to plus 1. Now 2 shifted to the other side, it is x is equal to 1 by 2 or x is equal to 1 by 2, and always you have to highlight your answer. So these are we have seen today 3 questions. Now remaining questions we'll see on next video. Thank you.